they're an amazing vegetarian option for dinner. So you can start to work them into your diet really easily. Well, mushrooms are really amazing entities. They share this quality as with humans that when exposed to light, they actually produce vitamin D within them. And you can actually find special mushrooms. Now check on the label that have been grown in UV light and have a lot of vitamin D. Really great example is portobello mushroom. These special UV grown portobellos, and only 1 cup or 2 portobello mushrooms has an entire daily amount of vitamin D that's recommended. What's also really great about portobellos is that they're an amazing vegetarian option for dinner. So you can start to work them into your diet really easily. You can grill them, you can bake them. I really like them grilled myself. Other mushrooms as well, shiitake mushrooms are a source of vitamin D. Maitake mushrooms, which are grown in the northeast of the United States as well as in Japan, and you might know them by the name hen of the woods mushrooms instead of maitake, the same thing. Also, white button mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D, although not as high as maitake or portobello.